Duck is dead, unfortunately. Well, actually not. He's in 2025. That's cool. Should we resurrect Thomas? Yes or no? Well, there's only one person here, so I'm not gonna say chat. Just resurrect Thomas. Yes or no? Bring him back from the dead. No. Dang. Sorry, Thomas. Your wife and kids will never see you again. Oh, two people. Hello, person. Never mind, they're gone. Haven't I seen you in streams before, by the way? Like, what's his name? Train of Thought. I have seen you in Train of Thought streams, like, multiple times. It's either you or another person, I have no idea. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've seen you before. Like, in Train of Thought streams. I forgot about Train of Thought. Yeah. He's he's where I get, like, 90%. I watch his channel, and then, I look at the train. I decide you are going to be a character. So yeah, that's where I found the log caller. Percy kill Thomas. Oh. Depressing. Actually, I'm gonna go get Percy. Give me a sec.